Quick answer, yes. Real answer, probably not the best idea. We as humans, we can teach ourselves to do anything we want, but if we are doing it ourselves and we don't actually know if we're doing it correctly, do you want to find out if you were teaching yourself self-defense correctly in the middle of a fight? No, didn't think so. So the best bet, just like anything else in life, is get someone who is able to do what you want to do and who is able to teach you to do what you want to do. And that would be your best bet in learning self-defense and martial arts. If you're going to try to teach yourself, it's best that if you have guidance of a teacher or a coach that has showed you something and you're going to practice it on your own, but you'll still have someone that you go to help make sure that you're doing everything correctly.